Hello everyone and welcome back to the Infotech. In this tutorial, we will be learning about e-commerce product attachment Odoo module. So, let's get started with a brief introduction of this app. This module is valuable addition to the Odoo e-commerce website, addressing the need to provide detailed information about products to end users. It enables the attachment of various files types like PDFs, Excel files, images, allowing businesses to offer product details like dimension, specification, installation guides, brochures, user manuals, and many more. So, without wasting time, let's have a look how to install this module and how this module works. First of all, you need to install this application on your Odoo ERP system. You can easily install this particular app from Odoo App Store. Once the installation is done, go to the inventory app, hit on products and choose products. Here select particular product. For an example, I am going to select this conference chair. In the sales section, scroll down and here you can see the section of website attachments. Click on add a line. Website attachments wizard is open and here you can upload the files. Click on new and upload your particular file. I have already uploaded this particular file, so I'm going to upload this one and then select the button. So as you can see, product brochure PDF file has been uploaded successfully. Now keep this configuration. Go to the website to see the reflection. Okay, so as you can see on this particular product, and in the product dataset section, product brochure.pdf file is appearing here. You can download it by just clicking on it. Alright, so I hope you get the idea how this module works. And that's all about this module. Thank you for watching this video.